Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Today I want to tell about a news of cryptocurrencies.
SAC changes 11 individuals in 300 million crypto SIMs. The Securities and Exchange Commission (SAC) announced today that the government agency has changed 11 individuals for their roles in cheating and promoting the fraudulent crypto pyramid and Ponzi scheme forex. According to the SAC complaint in January 2022, Vladimir Okotenko, Jendo Lola Ferrari, Mikhail Sergeyev, and Sergei Maslakov, who were last known to be living in Russia, the Republic of Georgia, and Indonesia, launched forex.io, a website that allows millions of retail investors to enter into transactions via smart contracts that operate on the Ethereum, Tron, and Binance blockchains. The fake crypto company raised more than 300 million US dollars from millions of retail investors worldwide, including in the United States. As the complaint alleges, research in a further fraudulent pyramid schemes launched on a massive scale and aggressively marketed to investors, said Cavalry Wilson, acting chief of the SAC Crypto Assets and Cyber Unit. Fraudsters cannot circumvent the federal securities laws by focusing their SIMs on smart contracts and blockchains. In addition to charging the four founders, the complaint filed in United States District Court in the North District of Illinois also charged Chair Backbone of Polytechnic Roland F. Deering of George D. Allen, Idaho Samuel D. Ellis of Louisville K. Mark Privacy Policy. The definition in the term and condition apply to this privacy policy unless stated otherwise. In addition to this policy, please review our term and condition and cookie policy, which are incorporated herein by reference, together with such other policies, of which you may be notified of by use from time to time. Privacy Policy General Function Media Limited, a company or Fashion Media RV, is the owner of the website www.investing.com, the website, and the investing.com mobile application, the apps, collectively and separately known as the service. Fashion Media is committed to protecting your privacy, and we understand you want to keep your information private, safe, and secret. The privacy policy is designed to help you decide whether to use the service and in what manner, and it describes how we collect, store, and use information on individuals who use the service. The policy is a legally binding agreement between you and us by visiting, accessing, or using website or app, or providing information to us in any other format. You agree to and accept the terms of this privacy policy as amended from time to time, and you consent to the collect and use of information in the manner set out in the policy. We encourage you to review this policy carefully and to periodically refer to it so that you understand it and its subsequent change, if any, if you do not agree to the terms of the privacy policy. Please stop using the service immediately and very frequently uninstall. Non-professional information. We retain some non-professionally identifiable information, such as your approximate geolocation, your web request, what browser type, browser language, web page you visit before or after visiting you, or website or using the app's URL, platform type, click number, landing page, viewed page, and the other choose page and time spent on page. This information is collected and retained for security reasons and so that we can audit and statically track usage, audit or affiliate, and calculate payment to third-party cookie.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you guys.